Hi, my name is Mark at M2M Technology and I'm here today with another one of our quick tech tips. Today we're going to be talking about the layouts that come with the program and how easy it is to change from the plain old default one to a slightly more interesting newer version. Before doing that, let's take a look at the way a standard invoice prints. As you can see, probably best described as functional, but it does the job. However, changing it to something a little bit more professional looking is dead easy. From your Sage 200 menu, go to Tools, go to Choose Layouts, and then scroll down to the layout you want to choose. For this example, I'm going to be choosing the Sales Order Invoice or SOP Invoice. So I'm going to scroll down to that and then make a note of the file name that the system shows. Having made a note of that, I'm going to change it. And the one I'm going to change it to is the SOP Invoice Email Plain Paper Sage Pay layout. Having done that, I'm going to then reprint the invoice, and as you can see, what a difference. Okay, it's not a huge difference, but it's got the boxes that make it look a little bit more professional. It has headings such as invoice number to explain that this is the invoice number. More importantly, although difficult to see, is that it's set up for email, which means assuming you've got this customer's email address, you can click the email button at the top and it will create and send an email on your behalf with the invoice attached to it. And finally, if you do email the invoice and you're using SagePay, there'll be a nice pretty Pay Now button down at the bottom, which will allow your customer to pay you now. Generally, that's a good thing. If you don't like it, you can always go back to your old one by simply going to Tools, Choose Layouts, scrolling down to the SOP Invoice, and reselecting whichever one you were using before. From this Choose Layouts window, you can also change your remittances, your order acknowledgements, and a whole host of other things. So by all means, have a play, and hopefully you'll find some stuff you like. Now, it goes without saying that none of the reports that will be mentioned so far are going to have your company logo on, or your bank details, or that special Christmas message that you're trying to send to your suppliers. However, if that's something that you'd like to do, or you'd like to see me show you how to do, please get in contact or comment below. And as an M2M customer, obviously give us a call 01245 494847, or get in touch via the service desk at m2mit.uk, or visit our websites support.m2m.host or m2mit.uk. Otherwise, feel free to comment, like, subscribe, do the usual YouTube stuff, and if there's anything that I can do to help and perhaps make a video showing you something, I'll be more than happy to do that. Thanks very much for your time. Cheers. Goodbye, Dodger.